Hi all, it's Mike here. Today's video we are gonna do an unboxing of the Super Nintendo Classic Edition. I got this off a retailer as a similar price as what they have in the US itself. I tried to get it from Amazon, eBay, and some other retailers. They have this one, but like it's out of stock pretty quickly, so I can't get hold of this. So I pre-ordered one from one of the retailers that I over here, and I managed to get one. And it's just more like retro feeling here. So as you see, this is the box, and this is the included games and stuff like that. So there's all the list of games. So today's video is just a short one. I'll just do an unboxing and some gaming experience, family gaming experience with this. So let's just open it up and check it out. First of all, in the box we have the this is like a instruction manual, right? And this is the there's some stuff that they have here. This is the controller, Super Nintendo controller. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I mean, like it's not like super high quality wise, but it feels okay. And then of course there are two controllers. If you look at it, yeah, there are two controllers. Select start. And of course there are one HDMI cable. I guess this is the HDMI cable. Yep. And as well as a this is the USB cable, if I'm not wrong. Yep. So the thing is that this thing doesn't have an adapter. It's powered by the USB cable. That's the funny thing about this box here. And this thing is small. This is the size that you're gonna get. This is the power on, this is the reset button, and logically I think they can open it up here for you to put in the this is the controller connector, and this is the HDMI cable, this is the DC in for the USB stuff. So this whole thing is powered by the USB, which is, yeah, so I don't know how to say it, but it's not, there's no adapter included, but I think it doesn't need a very high power USB cable. So I think you can just plug it into your TV USB and it should work. I'll try that out and I'll let you guys know. So just let's get on with the gameplay experience for this console. Yeah, so what are you playing? What are you playing? This boy. Oi. What are you playing? Do you know what you are playing or not? Oi, jump and hit the box. Jump is B. This button, jump is this one. Go there, go back. Jump, press B, B. Go under the box. Jump, B. Oh, I need to jump up now to get it. Oh, you go to the ballet one. You're supposed to go that side. Why you go the other way? You should go that side. Hey, you go that side the wrong way, boy. Uh-oh. Oh, JZ win.
No, I mean, not you.
JZ win. Okay, now the next one. Console worth the purchase? I mean, like, end of the day, it all depends on whether you guys actually have experience in I mean, like, in this Super Nintendo console kind of games last time. I mean, for me, I grew up playing such a game, so for me it's a pretty good buy. And like I said, I mean, this, as you can see, this is a power button on off, push up and down, reset, and as well as actually only these two buttons is there, and there's the HDMI port, USB charging port. They doesn't comes with a adapter. Actually, you can just plug into a TV USB port. It's just charged up correctly, which is pretty convenient. And actually, of course, here will be the one where you plug in the controller stuff, right? So it just makes it looks like a pretty cool retro console kind of like looks. But frankly, I find it pretty good because children's or kids nowadays, they do a lot of touch related, like tablet, phones, and all those stuff. So their motor skill is pretty bad with the controller, so they don't actually do very well in that sense. So this is a good practice platform for them if they're playing some of the older 2D games that we have. This is a pretty good practice. I mean, like, practice for their motor skills and stuff, to improve their motor skills. Okay, so that's all for today. I mean, that's all I have for the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. So if you do have chance to get one of these, I think it's a very good addition to your house. I mean, it's not like a super exciting game playing machine and stuff, but it's a good family entertainment box. I mean, I had a good time with my kids playing some of these classic games and stuff. So if you can get your hand on one and the price is right, then I think you should just get one. I mean, it's not expensive. The one I get is roughly around USD $80. So, and I think it's pretty good. It's a pretty good deal. 80 or 65? I can't remember exact the price. It's actually quite similar to the launching price of this. So if you manage to get one of it, it's a pretty good deal for you to get one. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for any future updates. And have a good one. I'll see you again. Bye.